Meaning of flashback.
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 Flashback. A flashback is a technique in storytelling where the narrative jumps to a previous point in time, often to provide background information or context. This technique can also be used to create suspense or to show a character's memories or emotions. In film and television, flashbacks are often achieved using visual and auditory cues such as dreamlike sequences or a change in lighting and sound. Flashbacks can offer the audience a deeper understanding of the characters and events in a story, providing insight into their motivations and actions.